So Sunny, start as you mentioned that your work is to get funding from the government organizations. Near about how many funding you get from government organizations per month? Near about give a short uh, projection about how
Uh,
many money you get. Okay.
as we all know, the government funding has a not any cert- क्या, critical
Yes,
impact
yes,
in this field.
yes,
Uh, the government help in many
yes,
ways,
yes,
not any only cash money. Government you help us to
yes, yes,
export our product in a various countries and
yes.
advertise our merchandise is in other countries. And as we all know, our friend Chris before say
Yes, yes,
talking about our exports.
yes.
And
Okay, so in a website, it is also mentioned that your organization
पता
get
है
funded by
हमको
UP government right now. So is it true?
yes,
भाई
it is a true. As we all know, our
Near,
UP
near,
क्या
near about in
उधर
the
चल
website,
रही
it is particular mentioned
मम्मी वो
that
आ रही है
you
पता है अरे
your
फ्रेंड ये सब
website
आएंगे
is
वो मिल
get
खड़े
funded
रही क्या
about $100K.
इस
Is
आएंगे
it
वो
true?
मिल खड़े रही क्या
$100K per month
yeah,
is
it
coming.
is a
तो
true.
रियल वीडियो
Okay.
है
And all money cannot directly come in our
हाँ
program or
यही खड़े थे
there are some other kind of help that provide
Okay.
government to us.
Okay. So, is overall is something your target that you have to get
Yeah,
funding about 3 to 4 organizations per month, or there are something type of things or not?
yeah, we have our target to complete it 10 to 50 USD
Okay.
in
Thank you.
last our in future 3 to 4 months.
Okay.
We thought we might be trying to
Yes.
$10-20 बोलते भाई ये
So
तो केवल
overall, Sunny, thank you. You give a very well defined introductions and about brief information about what is your work and how you are doing your work. Uh, so our the next core team member who is also a
Vaibhavi.
cameraman and also a transport manager.
Our
Their work
Vaibhavi.
is to transport everything
Come
from
Vaibhavi
goods from one place
and
to another
say
place.
something.
So it is on. So Vaibhav Singh is our
अरे सीधा करो
one of our also core members. So their work is to the first work he is doing. He is a very great cameraman. He is capturing things about a 720 degree from any angles to a mango views to everything at all. Near about there the second work is to transport mangoes from one organization to anywhere in the country and also outside of the country. Near about he transported about near about 1000 kilo mangoes every month. So Vaibhav Singh, what is the motivation behind this thing? So how you are get so much attached with your work?
Um, I attached with my work because of my father, because my father also doing same field.
Okay.
That's why I am so attached with this work.
Okay, so this is like you get motivation from your father. This
Yes,
is a
yes,
very
yes.
good thing. In the modern generation, people are not get motivated by their father also.
Yes, yes.
But you are get motivated. This is a very good thing. And the second thing, what is the motivation behind cameraman? How you are started doing cameramaning or something?
One day I normally opens my phone and then
Okay.
there was no network, so I think what can I do? So that's why I open camera
Okay.
and start recording video. From that day I think that I can record video properly. That's why I start recording.
So overall, bad thing, difficulties can create opportunities.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
from that day, you are becoming a cameraman. Your
Yes.
story is like a great inspiration for many ones, brother.
Yes.
And near about you also mentioned that in a website that near about 10,000 kilo mangoes you sell on every month.
Yes, yes.
Also transportation. So at how many places near about at month you have to spread your mangoes?
At
What is the
least-
particular places? The stock is fixed that you have to share the mangoes
No,
in
no, no.
particular stocks or something.
No, no, no.
Yes.
It depends on the demand.
Okay.
And at least in a month I transport in 10 countries.
Okay. So in the website it is also mentioned that you transport mangoes. The mostly mangoes that is transported is to Germany and
तो वापस जा
USA.
रही
So
है
what is the reason behind it?
Because the peoples of there, they like too much our mangoes. That's why.
Okay, so is there any kind of tasting purposes that I also want your mango, so at first I want to taste it or something,
Yes,
then
yes,
I can
yes.
purchase it.
Yes, yes.
So for tasting, so where I can get the mangoes for tasting?
You can get the mango at the branch office of the department.
Okay, so I have to come to the branch. Okay,
Yes,
is there any
yes.
kind of as we I am from foreign countries, I want to taste your mangoes. I
No.
cannot come at your place. So what I can do?
No, no, no.
Right now.
There is also a branch office at different countries, so you can get
Oh,
there.
so you are okay. So mango is already there.
Yes,
You are
yes,
just
yes.
transported. Okay, so this is
Small
a very
amount.
fine. Okay, okay. So where are you and there were also Sunny and Chris.
Yes.
You are three guys who maintained our everything. So what your founder do? Everything they works you are doing. What your
Nothing
founder do?
but sit and say, do work properly.
Okay. Oh.
वीडियो
It
बनाते
is
हैं
like a.
Yes,
This
yes.
is
he
everything
said,
maybe-
record video, record video.
Okay, okay. So no problems. I think you are doing so great, and also your team
Thank you,
members. I want to say for your best wishes to your Bhavan, and currently it is also listed on
Top 5 best.
top 5 best company, and you are also going to pitch your ideas onto a world biggest startup.
Yes.
Shark Tank America.
Shark Tank America wala. Yes, yes, you are right. Okay, so first of all, it is time to get a short view of mangoes. That what type of mangoes we are actually selling. So this is a place. This is a 17-kilometer long. 17-kilometer long this place. This is a short place. It is the front area. This is only a 2-kilometer long. In the back side there are 50-kilometer long areas. This is the front place. When anyone comes, then they comes at here place. This is like a visitors. At first they can visit at this place. Then they are going to our 15-kilometer base areas. Okay. So take a short overview of mangoes. So from all the team members.
ठीक है ले लो भाई ले लो जल्दी
So let's see the mangoes.
नहीं लेट
The Miyazaki Arm is on a 50-kilometer area base. That is not here. This is a Langri Arm, as you can see. This is a Mangauzi Arm. This is a Singauzi Arm.
सिंघानी आम तो बना दीजिए ना Can you look at that do you
This is also a mango. This is also a great